Hi everybody, so today I'll be sharing a very simple and delicious eggplant salad recipe. I hope you try it and enjoy it. First off, cut the eggplants and stack them while adding salt in between the layers and set it aside for about 20 minutes. This will help to release their bitter juices and it will be even more delicious when you cook them. After, you pat them dry and fry them in a little bit of vegetable oil. And now let's get to the salad. First off, cut the onions. I took whatever amount I desired and cut them in half moon shape. And then add it to the bowl. Also, I took one big tomato. The sort is called pink tomato. I don't know if you can find it anywhere in the world, but they are sweet and juicy, so one big whole tomato was enough. I also took the fried eggplants and cut them in smaller pieces, and I added it to the bowl, to the onions and tomatoes. Also, add one clove of garlic, and I added traditional Azerbaijani pomegranate sauce. You can find it anywhere in the stores in my country, but if I find a recipe online, I will link it down below. I also added some sesame seeds, salt and pepper, mix it together. You can set it aside a little bit or just serve it immediately. It's very delicious, even though it's very simple. The portion I made is for 2 people or a very hungry 1 person like me. So instead of the pomegranate sauce, you could also add lemon juice and olive oil, and it will be just as delicious. I hope you try this recipe. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you next time.